In this video, we are going to learn how to unhide your rows and columns using a macros and VBA code. Now you can see here here is one 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 12 is hidden and here is another column is hidden here. So I want to unhide them using a code, because whenever you are performing in Excel, lots of rows are hidden, select is and unhide is, it is okay. But if you have a same data at all the time you are performing, and you just click on the one button and it's automatically all whatever you selected, that all data will unhide. Okay, so what can I do now? Here you just go to record options in a developer tab on a record and give as the name, I want to unhide row and column as well. Okay, so click on that. Now recording is started. So you are recording something, and after you record that you can perform it. Okay, so you want to do it as unhide, or okay, or maybe click on unhide. Okay, so I selected all that, so it's, yeah. Okay, so this is all the recorded form is created. Now I want to stop the recording. Now go to macros, and here you can see where I saved this. Yeah, unhide R and run. Okay, click on a run. Oh, because I didn't hide it any column. Let's hide something here. Because whatever you perform as a same, that will perform it. Okay, whatever you did before, that will perform in a this way. Let me try if it's work, because I selected another range. Yeah, you can see, but before I selected maybe the 10th or 11th row, that's why it's not performed here. But here you can see it's already performed. So whenever you have a same type of recording, or you can perform the certain range. Okay, now you can have, means always you have this type of data like up to 20, so you can perform one by one and record it at a one time. Okay, and then you can go and record it and then perform it. Another way is go to the developer tab and Visual Basic and open this tab will be open. Okay, so here you just write your code as, because substitute is started as sub and the name of the code is the unhide rows and columns. Okay, so for rows you want to apply and for columns you want to apply. So rows dot column, entire column dot hide is equal to false, because you want to unhide. It is like hide equals to false, it means an unhide. So for you want first column dot, entire column you want to unhide, and rows dot entire row dot hide equals to false. And sub, you can see the only two line of code. And let's control S, or you can save it. It's here is also save it, and go to that your sheet, go to insert tab, and then add it as a button for assigning the macros. Okay, so here you can assign that code, so that will perform it. So go to assign macros, and sometimes you need to select as well, so that will more easy. Now go to assign macros. What was the name there? Print selection, no. Yeah, unhide rows and column, I gave the name for that code. Now the code is assigning as in this. Let me hide something. I want to hide this 10 and yeah, and this one. Okay, so let's perform. You can see how easily it's work. You know, this whenever it means you don't want to perform as the same, you select the entire your data and just click on this button, so that will perform for your all the data, like unhiding your rows and both column as well. So there is only two line of code: columns dot entire column dot unhide equals to false, rows dot entire rows dot hide equals to false, and end with the substitute. That's it about this unhiding the your. This will make a more easy your day-to-day repetitive task.